In this video, let us explore on effectively managing user settings within KTern. As soon as you log into KTern, you will find yourself on the Home Launchpad. Click on your user avatar, where you will be having various navigating options like user settings, project settings, a demo app to explore, avenues for feedback, a ticket center for your queries, and the ever-handy logout button. To tinker with your personal configurations, let's head straight to user settings. Within this section, users will find 4 distinct navigation sections like Profile, Projects, Notifications, and Accounts. You can visit the Profile section if you're willing to switch up your profile picture, edit your name, change your email, or even drop a line about yourself in the bio section. And remember, every time you modify, make sure you click the Update Profile button. Projects section gives you a wide view, where all the projects you're involved in take center stage. It's like a neatly organized gallery, showcasing your roles, teams, organizations, and even the organization types you're a part of. Notifications section is for your tailor-made updates. Be it a gentle ping when you're tagged with a new task, an alert when a task you're tracking takes a new direction, or a heads up when you're invited to the next big event. Eventually you're in control. Once you're done crafting your required notification scenario, a simple tap on Submit Changes locks it in. Coming to the Accounts section, if you've got the urge to switch up your team or shuffle your project's coordinates, this is where it helps you out. Remember to click the Update Location button. Here, the user should provide their old and new password, then retype the new password for confirmation. Afterward, they can simply click the Update Password button to set the new account password. In the upcoming video, let us explore on how to manage project settings.